Hi, welcome to tikzkitchen. Today we're going to make beetroot halwa. It's a very straightforward and simple recipe. So let's get started. To make beetroot halwa, you're going to need water, milk, cardamom powder, cinnamon powder, almonds, raisins, pistachios, sugar, ghee, butter, Oreo cookies, fresh whipped cream. Butter, Oreo and whipped cream are optional. And finally, beetroot. To start, heat 3 tablespoons ghee in a pan, add 2 cups grated beetroot and saute on medium heat for around 3 minutes. Add half cup of water and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat. Now slowly add 1 cup of milk. Keep mixing continuously. You'll notice that halwa will turn slightly pinkish in color. Bring it to a boil and then cover and cook on low heat for 5 minutes. Mix everything together. Add 4 tablespoons sugar, 1.5 teaspoon cardamom powder and 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Mix everything together. Cover and cook on low heat for another 3 to 5 minutes. Now add 1.5 tablespoon each of almonds and raisins. Mix it well. Now cook on medium to high heat for another 3 to 5 minutes. Turn off heat when beetroot absorbs all liquid. Your beetroot halwa is ready to be served. Take it out in a jar or bowl and sprinkle some pistachios for garnishing. For this recipe, I'm gonna serve it on a bed of cookie crumble and top it with whipped cream. To make cookie crumble, take out cream from 8 Oreo biscuits and crush them in a grinder. You could also put cookies in a zip pouch and crush them using a mallet. Add 2 tablespoons unsalted butter to soften the cookie crumble. It's time to start plating. Use a mold to make a layer of cookie crumble. Now add beetroot halwa on top of the cookie crumble base. Put the whipping cream in a piping bag and make a layer on top. Now take out the mold very carefully. And garnish with chopped pistachios. Beetroot halwa is ready to be served. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more such recipes.